Hi there. Are you a hardworking business owner who feels overwhelmed with your sales tax obligations? That can be overwhelmed in any way, whether that's you don't know how to do it at all, or you're worried about how much you have to pay when it comes time to file, and you're just not sure. If that sounds like you, then please stay tuned. I'm gonna give you some great tips for managing that anxiety in this video. My name is Erin Denise. I'm the owner of Erin Denise Chartered Professional Accountant, and what I love to do here, I'm just super inspired to support entrepreneurs, especially hardworking entrepreneurs, but not just hardworking entrepreneurs. I find often as entrepreneurs we work too hard, and I love helping entrepreneurs live the life you choose. Why did we start our businesses in the first place? We wanted to be in control and in charge of our lives. And so sometimes it doesn't quite work that way when we get started. And so what I'm passionate about here at my firm is helping you get organized and in control of your business finances and administration so that you can live the life you envisioned for yourself as an entrepreneur. And so back to the topic of this video today is a very common, and I just got this the other day, which is why I'm all excited to make a video and speak to you today, is a common question I get asked by new business owners. Erin, can I increase my filing frequency for my sales tax? So what does that mean? A lot of times you sign up and you file annually, and I get clients, especially new clients, new business owners, they want to change that to be quarterly or monthly even. I've had that happen, and they think this is a great idea for how to reduce the sales tax overwhelm and stress. And so it's a curious question to me, because the government sets the filing frequency based on your sales and how much tax you have. So it's an interesting question to me. Why would you want to file more often? So I always ask, why do you want to file more often? And very commonly is either things are not quite in control and they just want to get it in control more often. Of which the answer to that is staying in control of your bookkeeping. And the other issue is collecting too much sales tax and feeling overwhelmed with that amount that they're going to have to remit. And so then the common people who aren't getting the advice that they need, the common solution the brain comes up with is, let me file more frequently. Let me take care of this more frequently. But what does that do? That gives you an extra job to do when you're already maybe overwhelmed. So you're making it harder on yourself to do the extra filing. If you're paying someone to file for you, it's extra money to have that filing done for you. And then the other thing is, when we file a sales tax return, it should be right. Otherwise, what if they ask us, what if the tax CRA or here I'm in Manitoba, so Finance Manitoba, if they ask, can we see this? And if you don't have it all right. So if you don't have it all right, then it can cause problems. So if you just, long story long, as I always love to tell them, increasing your filing frequency is likely to just cause more problems. And the solution that I love to give is just send in the money. They'll take your money anytime. If you've collected a bunch of sales tax and you want to get it out of your bank account because it's just stressing you out to have it, and that you worry that you might spend it and not have it to pay it when it's due, you can just send it into if it's GST, send it into CRA. If it's the provincial sales tax, send it into the province, the finance tax department, with your tax number, of course. But just send in the money, and that will resolve it. Increasing the filing frequency increases the problems, increases stress. Unless you're already in control, if your bookkeeping's already in control and done, then it would be simple to increase the filing frequency. But often people want to increase the filing frequency as a way to reduce stress. And what I like to encourage is one of the, like I said, the main reasons people want to increase filing frequency is too much money in their account, in which case I'll say send it in. And the other issues is just they feel out of control in their bookkeeping. Okay, so then the answer to that one is get control of your bookkeeping. Don't increase the filing frequency on a system. You know, if your bookkeeping admin system isn't working well, don't add more stress to that, right? That's where I can come in and help you. And so I'd love to say right now, I invite you, if you enjoyed this 5-minute video with me, and if you want to know what's it like to work with Erin, boy, she seems like an interesting woman. Well, I can assure you that I certainly am, and I'll love to meet with you and to hear about your business and what's going right for you and where I can support you. And the way we get started is with my free discovery call. So you can book that by visiting www.selkirk, SELKIRK, accountant.ca. Thank you so much, and bye for now.